Hello, my name is Israel. This is my sustainable manufacturing video. Some of the bullet points that you have listed in the assignment here is to research and explain your findings of what sustainable manufacturing means. Basically, from what I found is that sustainable manufacturing is something that can last much longer than a traditional form of manufacturing. It's more of something that you can keep on making rather than pulling from a limited source. Company selection. So as you can see here, I chose Young Living. I actually used to work for them in their call center in American Fork. They're actually headquartered here in Utah in Lehi. If you've never been there, it's actually really cool. They have like a huge 20-foot waterfall. I want to say it's like 100 feet actually. 100-foot waterfall that spans their entire building. It's pretty cool. If you haven't gone to visit, go visit. Company analysis. Basically, it's kind of what's Young Living doing that makes it so different. So first of all, Young Living is an essential oil company. For the record, I don't really believe in essential oils. I just worked there, so I know the company fairly well. So Young Living has farms just about everywhere, as you can see, in North America, Latin America, Asia Pacific, and pretty much all of these areas. They've got farms. Their farms all follow the company's Seed to Seal promise. Seed to Seal is basically their commitment to providing quality, sustainable products. So Young Living Seed to Seal commitment and its 3 pillars: sourcing, so that's a pretty big one; science, basically they kind of pride themselves in the science behind the essential oils. Again, I don't really believe in the essential oils, so maybe ignore that one, but and standards. So Young Living has some fairly high standards. Like I said, I worked at the call center, and they've pulled back quite a few essential oil lots that were not good enough for their products. Basically, that includes everywhere from seeds to seal. Really, that's where the name comes from, Seed to Seal. And then they actually back this up. This isn't just talk. They actually back this up by actually publishing their record. So you can see time lot, and the lot number is like the batch that the oil came from. And you can see these are fairly recent, so they keep these up to date as well. And they do testing and brand partners. They publish all of that information for anybody to fact check. So that's kind of a big portion of what makes Young Living a sustainable business practice. Again, I'm not a fan of MLMs or essential oils, but I just worked there. So anyways, it is a much more sustainable practice than something like a 3D printing business. I do run a little mini 3D printing business, and it does provide a lot of scrap, right? This is just the last month's scrap. But yeah, there's some businesses do really well, like Young Living, with sustainable practices, and others, like 3D printing or other plastics, do a really poor job. I do try and recycle this stuff, in case you're wondering. I send it off. That's why I have it separate, so that I can send it off separately into a recycle pile. But yeah, that's it.